Hi, Joshua Wells here with Kids and Teachers. Got a neat idea for you today. The other day I was helping my wife with Thanksgiving stuff, and I grabbed the mitten, to grab the stuff out of the oven, and I picked it up. I was like, no way. I went up to my little girl and said, hello, how are you? And she was like, whoa, and she's laughing and having a good old time. So I figured it'd be fun just to do something like this, share the idea. So I was thinking it'd be neat to do for like Jonah and the whale. So I went ahead and tried it out, and here you go, there's a whale. Let's show you how I made it. All right, so all you need is a mitten, preferably gray or dark blue, because most of the time that's a whale. If you get the black, you could even do like a killer whale and do the white down here, but anyhow, so I like using the gray, and you need 2 eyeballs. I already cut them out, but you can get these at Dollar Tree. They got the little felt rolls, the small felt rolls. I already cut mine out for sake of time, and this is his belly, 2 eyes, and then a little fuzzy for the top. Anyhow, so that's all fun and good. All right, so here we go. Let's get started. I like squirting right down on the inside to get the tongue rolling. All right, now you obviously want to wait a second just to let it set in. All right, there he goes. There's the little tongue. A whale's eye is really close to the mouth. It's low like so. Low like so. If I could pick up an eyeball, that would be good. There we go. Just like that. I'll let that set up for a second while I talk to you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And kids and teachers, look at our other videos. It's a lot of fun. A lot of teacher ideas. Anyhow, back to the top. I'm going to put just a little dab up here. Boop, 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 boop. And that is for this little bitty poof. This is for the spout, where the water comes out. Alright, flip it on over. Put the other eye in his head. Alright. Kind of outlined. That was easy. Need an easy button. Okay, y'all. There's that part. And now for the belly. Alright, how I did this before was I just kind of went all the way down, about 1/4 inch from the top, because it's going to ease on over like so. All right, flip this guy over. Okay, try not to touch it because it's hot. Okay, there we go. You want the point to be underneath his chin, and it literally is that easy. I'll flip it over, let it set up for a second. I'll put one on his belly. So it here's pretty good there. Boom, 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 boom. If you notice the Christmas decorations in the background, because it's Christmas time when we're making these videos around now. Here we go. And it's just as easy as folding it back on top like so. And there you have it. Literally, it is that fast, that easy. About $3 because you have to get several different items at Dollar Tree. And there you have it. I'm probably doing a premature fold here. There we go. Hello, how are you today? Okay, well there he is, folks. You can do a whale, then you can have a little Lego man being Jonah, and he's getting swallowed by the whale. You can stick it in, maybe even cut a hole back in here, and where you actually stick him, and then he's gone. He's in your other hand, and then several days later, you spin him out. You can flick him out of the whee. Okay, anyway, so many ideas you could do. I know you're creative too. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our channel. We'd love to have you be a part of it. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.